How's it going, everybody? Welcome back. And can ExpressVPN be trusted? Long story short, yes. So let me explain why. Before we begin, if you guys are interested in learning more about ExpressVPN's privacy policy, speed streaming, and torrenting capabilities, as well as security features, you'll find a full review in the description down below, and you'll find a nice little discount that'll give you, that'll save you a little bit of money. So, okay, let's get straight into it. First of all VPNs claim a no-logs policy. The difference here with ExpressVPN is that they have evidence to show that they do uphold the integrity of their no-logs policy with multiple independent no-logs policy audits and server infrastructure audits to make sure that their network and no-logs policy are as solid as they can be. And of course, it is being upheld. And we have a couple of examples here to show for it. Besides that, we have trusted server technology, which means that their servers run on RAMs rather than hard disks, which means that all data will be wiped with every machine reboot, which happens quite often as these servers are maintained. So of course, there are no hard drives for data to be written on. And of course, in 2017, we have this example right here when the Turkish government seized an ExpressVPN server in order to extract information out of it, but they were not able to extract any information simply because ExpressVPN truly does not keep any logs. And finally, we have the latest example. ExpressVPN moves India servers out of the country to ensure privacy and service continuity. Of course, the Indian government asked ExpressVPN to keep information and to hand it over, but ExpressVPN refused. And so, this is another reason to trust ExpressVPN with your data. So overall, I think ExpressVPN has a lot to show, and they definitely deserve the people's trust for everything they have to show. All right, so that's it for this video. Again, you'll find the links to pricing discounts in the description down below, as well as the full review. And of course, comment below if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer all of them. Like and subscribe if you'd like to support the channel and stay up to date with everything VPNs and cybersecurity. Thank you guys very much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Have a wonderful day.